Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have got a $1,000 Gunpla haul video for you. This box contains orders that I've been storing in my virtual warehouse over at Hobby Frontline for the last 5 or 6 months. So as with my builds on the channel, I want to take my time and share my experiences and best Gunpla adventures with you all, and today is something I imagine we don't get to do very often, and that's open a $1,000 box of Gunpla goodies. If you enjoy the video, please do hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more Gunpla related content here on the channel, don't forget to also hit that subscribe button. It means a lot and your support is greatly appreciated. I'll try and explain what is what as I go, and let me know in the comments if you've built any of these kits or what you want to see me build first. So we're going to start with most of the Gunpla accessories and move on to the kits afterwards. First up we have the Kotobukiya MSG Heavy Weapon Unit 10, which is called the Violence Ram, and that was all I needed to hear. We got some 30-minute mission option armor parts for the Kiel Nova, I don't know how you pronounce it, but yeah, I got the green one. Got the red one, I just wanted these for the hands. And speaking of hands, we have also got the builder parts, 1:144 scale Xeon hands. Got these to have on standby for maybe some kind of kit bash or something. We'll see. Then we've got a whole bunch of side 3 hobby metal detail parts. We got some thrusters, some small thrusters, some bigger thrusters, 3, 6 and 9 Xeon spikes, and a whole bunch of other metal parts. We have the Madworks line carving guide. This does need a separate blade, as you can see on the top left. It's not included with this. I'll get one, try it out and let you guys know how it is. Some photo etch metal detail parts. You can see below where each of these can be used on different kits. Also got this limited edition sheet, which was really good value for money. I think it was like the equivalent of $20 for the full sheet, and there's tons of stuff on here, so lots to play with. Gotta get some Madwork sponges, and also some Madwork photo etch cutting saws. First up, some decals for a kit that I've already got, the Gundam Sandrock Endless Waltz version. Decals for Narrative Gundam Apex and the Senaju Stein narrative version. The RG 1:144 RX-78-2, also decals for RG 1:144 Tallgeese 1 and 2. Decals for the Gunner Zaku Warrior Lunamaria Hawk Custom. Decals for the MG Sazabi Verka. We got some Gundam The Origin water slides that can be used with the Gundam Local type and the Heavy Gundam, the Gun Cannon First type and Maneuver Test type. Also water slides for the RE100 Bawu and the RE100 Hama Hama. Right, so to the kits, and yes, your eyes did not deceive you, we do have the MGEX Unicorn ready to start building. I'll be recording this build and uploading it to the channel as soon as possible. We've got a second big boy in this box. It is the MG Sazabi Verka. Those of you who follow me on Twitter will know that I have some interesting plans for this build, also going to be recorded for your viewing pleasure when the time comes. I'm going to put together another video explaining exactly what I have planned for this, so keep your eyes out for that, and keep your eyes out for the build. RE100 Hamahama, cannot unsee. RE100 Bao. Next up is the G40, the industrial design version of the RX-78-2. I know this kit design seems to have a bit of a love it or hate it vibe to it, but I had to get it. I'm an industrial designer by trade and I wanted to see what this guy came up with. While we're on the topic of RX-78s, I thought I'd pick this one up rather than the Beyond Global, based on some reviews that I've seen. So this one looks really nice. All of the GTO kits that I've built so far have been really nice, so I'm hoping this one is going to be just as good. The one and the only HG Messer. I've been waiting on this chunky boy for quite a while. He's a big boy and I really cannot wait to build him. I've seen plenty of people posting their work in progress and finished builds of this, and it looks super beastly when it's done. Also, I'm planning on pairing him with this, the Kotobukiya MSG Heavy Weapon Unit 17, which is a revolving buster cannon. I wanted to go down the gun route, so I've got this, and yeah, it's going to be pretty sweet. I did manage to get some P Bandai purchases in this Gunpla haul. As I've said, I've been loving the Origin kits. Such good quality, fun builds, so I had to pick these up. The box for the Heavy Gundam is a little bit damaged, but Hobby Frontline do give a little bit of discount for this, which is nice. A Kale Nova in green. Kale Nova? Shell Nova? Somebody please tell me how you actually say this word, because I have no idea. Haven't built a 30-minute mission kit before, so we decided to pick this up purely because of those thick legs. Sometimes you need a simple, refreshing kit for the times that you're burnt out on bigger projects, and the GN Archer right here is just that. It's a neat, slender and simple design. I really like it, and I'm looking forward to having probably a pretty quick build on this. It looks awesome. This is another HG Zaku necessity in my opinion. Picked this up mainly because it was pretty cheap and something a little less precious to build. It still looks pretty awesome. Another unique design, the Gerbera Tetra. I'm pretty bad with these names, guys, so help me out where you can. I do feel like I've got a little bit of a soft spot for the old gun cannons. This HG UC mass production type has an even chunkier aesthetic than what we're used to, and most notably some strong shoulder presence. Now this is one from the Build Divers support weapons. I picked it up in particular to combine with Leo MPD and the GBN guard frame. And last but not least, probably to go along with one of the other kits and the Build Divers support weapon, I've got the Diver Gear Gunpla display base. Okay, so as an added bonus to the video, and not something that I purchased from Hobby Frontline, but this was a prize that I received from Bluefin Brands. Some of you may know that I entered the Gundam Online Expo contest that was hosted a couple of months back, but I submitted some images of my custom built MG Barbatos and I won. I won the grand prize, selected by Meijin Kawaguchi himself. So that was pretty awesome, and this is what they sent me. So yeah. It is this, the Gundam Barbatos Clear Colour, the Gundam Base Limited Edition, signed by Meijin Kawaguchi himself. So this is pretty awesome. I mean, it's one of a kind. You can pick the kit up from somewhere, I don't know where, but this one in particular is my special one. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this guy yet. I don't know if I'm going to build it. I don't know if I'm just going to keep it in the box and never build it, but if I can open the thing, let you have a look. I'm definitely going to frame it, that's for sure. So, there's all the clear parts. Comes with the stickers. Everything clear. If you're familiar with the Barbatos kit, you'll recognise it, but yeah, all clear. So big thanks to Bluefin Brands for hosting that contest, and yeah, I'm really honoured to be picked as the winner. FYI, Meijin Kawaguchi, if you're listening to this was my Barbatos, was my first MG kit, but I appreciate all your kind comments for the build. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you think I should build this or keep it, or yeah, just let me know your thoughts. That'd be awesome, guys. Thanks again for taking the time to watch the video, and look after yourselves. Happy building.